Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my channel once again. This video is about US indexes, commodities, forex and cryptocurrencies. This is Dow Jones hourly chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 34,380. Dow Jones is trading at the highest point of the day. It has recovered significantly from 34,310 and currently testing around 34,380. It recently made high of 34,385. Currently Dow Jones is trading in positive zone unless it breaks our support, and today is Friday, so even if Dow Jones break our support, I would not advise you to go for sell, because I do not recommend any position holding for Monday. Let's move on. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Resistance in Dow Jones stands at 34,520. If market break 34,520 and manage to sustain above that level, then Dow Jones will enter in maximum positive zone and it could test around 35,000. However, support in Dow Jones stands at 34,200. Let me give you the support as well. 34,200 is support. This will act as support, 34,200. If market break 34,200 and manage to sustain below that level, then Dow Jones will enter in weak zone. After that, it could test around 34,000 and even 33,500 is possible. Let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq chart. Currently Nasdaq is trading 14,394. Yesterday it made a all-time high of 14,440 and today's high is 40,410. It also made low of 14,350 today. Currently Nasdaq is also trading in positive zone, but the resistance at this will act as a resistance. 14,340 will act as a resistance. If Nasdaq break 14,340 and manage to sustain below that level, then Nasdaq will enter in weak zone. After that, it could test around 14,100 and even 13,800 is possible. Currently Dow Jones and Nasdaq both are in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. Let's move on to commodities. First we will see gold. This is gold chart. Currently gold is trading 1787 after making a high of 1790. Interestingly, gold is not in a major trend as of now. Gold is trading in a very narrow range since it's opened this week. Currently it is trading 1788 almost. However, the resistance is intact at 1792. This will act as a resistance if market breaks 1792 and manage to sustain above that level. Make sure you watch while market hold at least 30 to 60 minutes before initiating any buy, because if market does not hold 30 to 60 minutes above that level, then we might see a fall like that. Otherwise, above 1798 we are looking for around 1800 and even 1820 is possible. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil chart. Currently it is trading 73.50 after making a low of 72.88. Currently crude oil is trading in weak zone till it is sustaining above this resistance. 73.80 will act as resistance now. That is an intraday resistance, not a positional resistance. If market breaks 73.80 and manage to sustain above 73.80, then crude oil will enter in positive zone. After that, it could test around $75 and even $77 is possible. Currently crude oil is trading in weak zone. Support stands at 72.80. If market breaks 72.80, then it will fall even more up to 72 and $71. Let's move on to forex now. First we will see euro. This is euro chart. Currently euro is trading 1961 after making a high of 1965. It recently made high of 1965 and still it is trading in positive zone. If you have watched my morning video which I update on my Hindi channel, you must be knowing that resistance was at 1920 and it did not break the resistance and continuously going up. Current support in euro stands at 1930. This will act as support now. If market break 1930 and manage to sustain below that level for at least 30 to 60 minutes, then euro will enter in weak zone. Below 1930 it could test around 1900 and even 1850 is possible. However, current trend in euro stands as positive, so avoid going for sell. Let's move on to GBP USD, then we will go for Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is GBP USD chart. Currently it is trading in weak zone. If you have watched my yesterday's video, then you must be knowing that I have already suggested yesterday that we have entered in weak zone. However, the levels have changed now. So what was the resistance yesterday is not the resistance today. Today's resistance at this 1940 will act as resistance now. If GBP USD break this resistance and manage to sustain above that level, then it would enter in positive zone. Above 3940 it could test around 4000. One thing I wanted to show you, that I will not recommend any sell as of now, because we might be having a double bottom at 3890. So if you are looking for sell, then you should wait GBP USD to break at least 3890 in order to return to negative, because we might be heading for double bottom and it could test 4000 if it breaks 3940. I hope I am clear what is the position in GBP USD as of now. Currently it is in weak zone, but I am not recommending any sell just because it have made a double bottom. Let's move on to cryptocurrencies. And if you are still watching this video without clicking the like button, please do click the like button. I'd really appreciate that. This is Bitcoin chart. Currently it is trading $33,120. It also made high of $35,500 yesterday and it is falling since then. However, a resistance stands at $34,500. This will act as a resistance now. If market break 34,500 and manage to sustain above that level, then only it will enter in positive zone. Otherwise it is looking in weak zone. Support, however, stands at $31,500. If market break $31,500, then expect even bigger fall in Bitcoin. Currently we are looking to test around $30,000 in Bitcoin. Let's move on to Ethereum. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. This is Ethereum chart. Currently it is trading 1864 after making a low of 1837. It has also entered in weak zone and currently trading in weak zone. However, resistance now stands at 1970. It will act as good resistance in Ethereum. If Ethereum break 1970 and manage to sustain above that level, then only it will enter in positive zone. Otherwise we are looking to test around $1,700 once again. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video for whatever reason, please do not forget to press the like button. For my paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. For major data, major news update, consider following me on Twitter and Telegram. All links are in description. I will see you now Monday. Till then, take care. Bye bye.